Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. Today I will present our group project with the title Hand Gesture Recognition using deep convolutional networks by using image enhancement and image classification. So for my team members is me, Nur Izzati Azhar, then Rin and Muhammad Adam Hafizi. So, for the introduction, our goal in this project is to use MATLAB's image processing and machine learning capabilities to build a hand gesture recognition system. Because hand gesture recognition system always be found in robotics, virtual reality, assistive technologies, and human-computer interface. So, by doing this project, we can allow more natural and intuitive methods of interacting with technologies. Next, for the problem statement of this project, as we need a more accurate and effective hand gesture detection system using MATLAB because the existing system may be inaccurate and limited recognition of diverse hand movements in current system. So this will hinder the advancement of accessible design and natural human-computer interaction in various fields. So by doing this project, it will help people to easily interact with the technology. Next, for our project background, the objective of this project is to develop an efficient system leveraging MATLAB's image processing and machine learning capabilities, which will be used to train computers and robots to understand human signs. So, the project significance is to enabling computer to respond to human sign language and can contribute advancement of machine learning, computer vision, and human-computer interaction field in this project. So the scope for our project is the real-time performance between user and the system as when the system read the hand gesture, it will prompt the correct output. And the testing and evaluation, we will do testing and evaluation to get the accuracy. From the accuracy, we will improve the performance of the system in the future.
Okay, now we will have a look at the methodology that we use in this project. First one is data collection. We capture predefined hand gestures images using a phone and laptop. For this project, we have 10 predefined hand gestures. Data preprocessing is we use image enhancement method through histogram equalization to enhance the collected images. And then the model selection, we use AlexNet model for this project to classify types of hand gestures based on their classes. And then for model training, we use 1800 images which are enhanced using histogram equalization for 10 classes as the training data. And then we do the model evaluation by using the trained model to predict the labels for the images and assess the performance and accuracy by the mean function. And then for model testing, the model was tested by using the image captured by the webcam of the laptop. The image from the webcam will recognize and predict what hand gesture is shown by the user. So let's say if I show like this, it will recognize as two because it recognizes two fingers and the hand gesture we predefine this as a two. Next is about the flow chart. So the flow of the model will be like this. First start and then we need to load the pre-trained AlexNet convolutional neural networks and then we modify the network according to our data. So, and then we input the my images folder. Until all images are read, we need to follow this process while loop. So this process will include enhancing the images using histogram equalization. And then we need to resize the images to the required input size for training because there is some restriction for this AlexNet CNN. So we need to resize the image. After enhancing and resizing, we save the new images in the folder named Enhanced Image folder. And then we check for if there's any unchecked images. If there is unchecked images, we need to follow the while loop. Once all the images are enhanced and resized, we proceed to the next step. The next step is the main step. This is about the setting up the training data, which is enhanced image folder. And then we split the data into two parts, which is testing and training set. After that, we proceed with the data augmentation by applying random transformations. After augmentation, we retrain the network with the training images and with the specified options. So the specified options would be initial learning rate, we set to certain value, and then we set the epoch value, max epoch value, and then we also set the mini batch size as the options for the to retrain the network. After retraining, we need to measure the network accuracy to see how better the model is. And then we test the model using our webcam or real hand gestures. So after training this model, we need to open the webcam to test our inputs. Whether if the user shows number two, it recognizes number two. If shows palm, it will label there as the name as palm. So that's what we stated here. It will display the hand gesture name or label based on the hand gesture shown in the webcam. And then the model reached the end.
So now I will present the coding part. The code begins by loading a pre-trained convolutional network called LSNet. The network is modified to suit a specific classification, thus with 10 categories. The last layer of the network are replaced with a fully connected layer and a classification layer. This step allows the network to be fine-tuned for the new classification problem. Image enhancement parameters are set up. The code creates a folder named Enhanced Image to store the enhanced version of the input image. The code then loops over a set of input images and applies an image enhancement technique called histogram equalization to enhance the image. The enhanced images are resized to a specific input size required by the network, which is 227 by 227 pixels. They are also converted to RGB format by duplicating the grayscale image 3 times along the third dimension. The resized and enhanced image are saved in the enhanced image folder with the same file name as the original image. The code sets up the training data using the enhanced images. An image data store is created to load the images from the enhanced image folder. The images are organized into categories based on the subfolder structure. Data augmentation is applied to the training images using an automated image data store. Data augmentation techniques such as random rotation, translation, and flips are used to create additional training examples, which helps improve the network ability to generalize the new data. The modified network is retrained using the augmented training images. The training options are set including the optimization algorithm, initial learning rate, maximum number of epochs, and mini batch size. The network is trained using the train network function. The accuracy of the trained network is measured on a set of test images. The network classifies the test image and then the predicted labels are compared with the actual labels to compute the accuracy. Yes, this is the demo, which is the images recognize this as number 4 and thumbs up. Then we go on to the demo in the MATLAB. I already run this code. Then we need to enter this command. Run. You can see here the image recognize is not very accurate, but you can recognize like a number 2 This is smile, this is rock, but it doesn't really recognize. This is thumbs down, this is thumbs up. The system is not very accurate, but still can read the images from the camera and raise it from this.
In conclusion, based on the hand gesture recognition model, we can see that the model predicts less accurate for certain hand gestures. To improve this model, we need more data for each classes of hand gestures of different people hand sizes in different colors to further improve the prediction accuracy. Because the hand sizes are different and colors also different for each people. So we need more data to get the more accurate results for the model. And then the model also can be further developed by applying more image processing techniques that helps in extracting the important features from the given images. So what is the important features here is the hand and the number of fingers. So these are the important features that we need to extract from the training data for better prediction accuracy. Okay, now we will have a look at the references that we use in this project. First one is YouTube video. The video is about hand gesture recognition using MATLAB with complete code and explanation. Second one is the research paper on slow fast networks for video recognition. It is also more likely about computer vision and pattern recognition area. Third one is 26 hand finger gestures mini with pictures. We use this because, as I said before, we have 10 classes for our model training. So we choose 10 out of 26 hand finger gestures from this website. So that's all from us. Thank you.